Hi, I'm Rebecca Kanagieser. I'm a healthy food access specialist with Iowa State University Extension and Outreach. We're in the middle of summer. Kids are home, they're going to activities, and they might want a snack to get them through the day. I'm here today at the Food Bank of Iowa to make the Energy Bites from Spend Smart, Eat Smart. This is a recipe that is simple to make, it's affordable, and it's a great healthy snack option for kids. It's minimal ingredients and minimal equipment. We'll start off today by going over to wash our hands. Like I said, this recipe is just a few ingredients. All we'll need today are some quick oats, peanut butter, honey, vanilla, coconut flakes, chocolate chips, and dried fruit. Our equipment is just some measuring cups, a bowl, and a spatula, and of course our hands for mixing everything. So we'll start off by measuring in 1.5 cups of quick oats. Next, we'll add in 1/3 cup of honey. Next, we'll add in 1/4 cup of mini chocolate chips. Next, we'll do 1/2 cup of coconut flakes. The next ingredient will be 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Something I love about this recipe is how easy it is to substitute out ingredients. For example, if someone in your family has a peanut allergy or you just don't like peanut butter, using an alternate for peanut butter is totally okay. Found in the Healthy Kids Iowa inventory is the chickpea spread that could be a great option to substitute in. Next, we'll add in 1/4 cup of dried cranberries. The original recipe calls for chia seeds, but I didn't have any of those, so I opted to do cranberries instead. But again, feel free to add in whatever works best for you and your family. And our last ingredient will be a teaspoon of vanilla. Next is what I think the most fun part, mixing it all together. I'll start off by mixing with the spatula. I do think it's more fun to use your hands to mix, especially if you have younger kiddos who are helping you with the recipe. This would be a great job for them to get involved with. Now that it's all mixed, we'll form them into the little energy bites. As I'm making these energy bites at home, I like to make them all different sizes. Some that are a little bit smaller, I could add them into yogurt bites and have for breakfast or maybe a lunch. Or I like to make some that might be a little bit bigger. These I can have as a snack or maybe a breakfast if I'm looking for an on-the-go option. Now that these are all formed into bite-sized energy balls, we'll go ahead and put them in the fridge to chill for about an hour. Now that these have chilled for at least an hour, they are ready to go. These are a great snack to get you through the day. I like to add them with yogurt for breakfast in the morning. Sometimes I even like to put them in the freezer so they last a little bit longer and are a great grab-and-go option in the morning. Find more simple, affordable, and healthy recipes like this one at Spend Smart, Eat Smart. Thank you.